Here's a tutorial on how to install Windows 8, Windows 8.1 or Windows 10 under your current Windows without leaving at all the current Windows. To do that, we have to use Windows 8 or later. It's not working with Windows 7. I will use VirtualBox to create a virtual machine. I will need the installation kit of Windows 8, 8.1 or Windows 10. I'm using Windows 10's ISO file. Okay, and I will need also EasyBCD. That's free to download from the internet. And using VirtualBox, let's create a new virtual machine. Let's call it Win10. Here at version, make sure it's your current Windows version, and click next. Okay, I will use 2000 megabytes, that is 2 gigabytes of memory, and the current system has 8 gigabytes of memory. So out of 8 gigabytes I will allocate 2 gigabytes to the virtual machine. Okay, let's click next. Let's create a new virtual hard drive. Create. Make sure it's VHD, the type, otherwise you won't be able to use it. Click next. Dynamically allocate the size, yes. Let's click this browse button to store the virtual hard drive on a certain partition, let's say there, because it's a fast hard drive. Click save. That's the size, 32 gigabytes. It's okay. Let's create the new virtual hard drive. Okay, let's start the virtual computer, and we will then connect it to this ISO file, the ISO file of Windows 10 technical preview. So now I'm browsing to that ISO file, this one, and the virtual computer will start from that ISO file. Okay, and now we will be able to install Windows 10 technical preview into the virtual computer without leaving the current operating system, which is Windows 8.1. Windows 8.1. Okay, so let's install Windows 10. Select the language, English is okay. Install now. Accept the license terms. I accept it. Next, custom install to that 30 gigabyte virtual hard drive that we just created. Click next, and let's wait. Okay, now on this screen let's use the Express settings just to make it faster. Okay, we can sign in. Let's keep that one. Just a moment. Let's add a username. Click next. Okay, and here's the new Windows 10 Technical Preview. It was installed successfully onto this virtual machine. Okay, and now let's go to the start menu and power it off, shut down. So I'm turning off the newly installed Windows, and after that I will use EasyBCD to attach that virtual hard drive of Windows 10 to this computer that I'm currently using, the host operating system which is running. Okay, and let's go here to edit boot menu, and at edit boot menu we can see that the computer has two operating systems, and let's add the third one, which is Windows 10 Technical Preview. Add new entry. Let's go to the first one, disk image, and browse to the virtual hard drive. I stored it here on my SSD drive, Win10, and click open. Here at name, let's add a name to it, Windows 10, and click add entry. It was successfully added to the menu, and at edit boot menu we can see that the third one, Windows 10, was added. So let's close these programs, we don't need them, and let's restart the computer. Restart and see the results. So I'm restarting the computer, and in the operating system selection menu now there should be 3 operating systems: Windows 7, Windows 8.1, which were there before, and the newly added Windows 10 Technical Preview. Now the operating system selection menu is coming and is here. Let's use the up and down arrows. We can see Windows 7, 8.1 and 10. Let's press enter on the third one, Windows 10. And Windows 10 now is reconfiguring itself because it was installed under the virtual machine. That's why I mentioned that Windows 7 cannot be installed in this manner, because Windows 7 simply will result in blue screens and it won't reconfigure itself. But as we can see, Windows 8, 8.1 and 10 is doing the job very well. Yes, and it's here and it's working. Okay, so it's Windows 10 Technical Preview. As you can see, 8 GB of memory, and that's it. Now you can restart your computer and you have multiple operating systems. And this operating system was installed without leaving the current version of Windows. That's it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.